When bacteria of a particular species are placed in a test tube that has different areas lit with different colors of light, the bacteria move only into the areas lit with a particular shade of red. So when bacteria of a particular species are placed in a test tube that has different areas with different colors of light, the bacteria always move to red. The bacteria contain chlorophyll, a chemical that allows them to produce energy more effectively from this color of light than any other. So the bacteria contains chlorophyll, which likes the color red because it can produce more energy.
Yep.
This suggests that the bacteria detect this color of light by monitoring how much energy their chlorophyll is producing. So the bacteria recognizes how much energy their chlorophyll is producing, so they know if they're in red or some other light. So which one of the following, if true, most weakens the biologist's argument? So it would be like something like the bacteria don't monitor how much energy the chlorophyll is producing, or that maybe they produce like the same amount of chlorophyll in red and blue light or something like that.
Yeah, that would definitely, because essentially, what kind of flaw is this?
Mm, like something about assuming something.
I was thinking even like causal maybe, but maybe make sure. So the bacteria has C, which is what allow them to produce energy more effectively. So because we have C, and it's the C that allows the bacteria to produce more energy from red. So the bacteria must be able to detect the color of light, the redness, by how much energy their C is actually producing. So maybe, yeah, I guess what I'm thinking is like, is it the amount of energy they're producing that allows them to know what color is red, or could it be something else that draws them to the red?
Mm-hmm.
What you said. I guess I'm just slower than you. Okay,
No, it's okay.
go ahead and start with answer choice A.
Okay. I also don't like this question because it's so long. Like, why is every answer so long? Okay. If the chlorophyll is removed from the bacteria, but the bacteria are otherwise unharmed, they no longer show any tendency to move into the areas lit with a particular shade of red. Um, I think that strengthens it
Yes.
because it shows that it is the chlorophyll that was attracted to the red.
Yep. They're like, now we don't care. Now we don't care what color we go to.
Right. Okay. The bacteria show little tendency to move into areas containing light in colors other than red, even if their chlorophyll can produce some energy from light in those colors. Okay, so this shows that even though chlorophyll can produce energy in other colors, they're still choosing red. So maybe like there's another reason why they're choosing red.
The bacteria
Oh, it's most weakened.
show little
So
tendency to move into an area containing light in colors other than. Okay, but I don't like this one because of the word some.
me too.
Like, that's
I
like
agree.
a little bit of energy.
Doesn't mean it's the most.
Like, yeah, and red could still have the most energy, and that's still why they're going to red because that's like the best.
Right. Yeah, I agree. Okay. The areas of the test tube lit with the particular shade of red favored by the bacteria are no warmer on average than the areas lit with other colors. I don't think that does anything.
If anything, I guess like it strengthens it a little bit because it's saying like it's not because of temperature.
Right.
Or at least it's like, oh, it's eliminating an alternative option, like so it makes it a little bit stronger, if anything.
Right. Okay. The bacteria show no tendency to move into areas lit with blue, even when those areas are lit so brightly that the bacteria's chlorophyll produces as much energy in those areas as it does in the red. Yeah. So I think it's that one because it's showing that, or at least I think this is a strong answer because it shows that they're attracted to the red for reasons other than the energy producing, because blue also produces energy and they're still not attracted to that.
Fabulous. All right, and then E.
There are species of bacteria that do not contain chlorophyll, but do move into areas lit with particular colors when placed in a test tube that has no effect. or
Yeah.
it's just irrelevant.
Excellent.